Avery Stretchable Fabric Transfers are a fun way to customize light-colored t-shirts and other items. These iron-on transfers are designed for white or light-colored synthetic or synthetic blend fabrics. When used properly, they are guaranteed to be fade-resistant for up to 20 washes. Let's walk through how to iron and care for stretchable fabric transfers. Avery Stretchable Fabric Transfers are printed in reverse because they will be applied face down. Once you've printed using an inkjet printer and trimmed your design, you're ready to iron it onto your fabric. If you are using a heat press to apply your stretchable fabric transfer instead of an iron, we recommend setting the temperature to 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 to 204 degrees Celsius and changing the pressure to medium for best results. Next, place your item in the heat press and lay the transfer paper face down on the fabric with the backing paper on. Apply the heat for 20 seconds. Allow the fabric to cool for 2 minutes before slowly and carefully peeling the backing off. If the transfer is lifting, reapply heat for 20 seconds and allow to cool again before peeling. When it comes to washing and drying your transfers, we have some additional tips to help extend the life of your stretchable fabric transfer. First, you'll want to wait 24 hours after applying your transfer before washing your item. You should also turn the item inside out and wash in cold water with a mild detergent. Do not use any fabric softener while washing, as this may cause the transfer to fade, crack, or peel. To dry, we recommend laying the item flat for best results or drying with the low heat setting. If you have additional questions, visit avery.com/help to check out more videos and see other information about fabric transfers or to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.